Introducing our beautifully handmade, hammered polished dome copper bathroom sink bowl. A perfect blend of traditional aesthetics and modern design. Made from high-quality copper, this sink bowl is not only durable, but also eco-friendly, ensuring a long-lasting and sustainable addition to your bathroom. Our hammered polished dome copper sink bowl features a sleek and smooth finish, which is achieved through a carefully executed process of hand rolling the copper material. This results in a unique and intricate pattern of deep grooves and ridges, giving the sink a distinctive and attractive appearance. The copper material is not only beautiful, but also highly conducive to heat transfer making. The natural thermal properties of copper help to regulate body temperature and promote relaxation, making the sink bowl an excellent addition to your spa-like bathroom. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, our hammered, polished dome copper bathroom sink bowl is also highly practical. The material is resistant to scratches, staining, and fading, ensuring that it remains looking new for years to come. Moreover, the copper's natural antibacterial properties help to prevent odor and bacteria formation, further enhancing the cleanliness and hygiene of your bathroom. To complement the natural beauty of our copper sink bowl, we offer a variety of stylish and practical accessories, such as a drain plug, a bath spout, and a shower head. These items are designed to enhance the overall functionality and comfort of your bathroom. In summary, our handmade, hammered polished dome copper bathroom sink bowl is a stunning and practical addition to any bathroom. Its rich appearance and thermal properties make it an excellent choice for those seeking a unique and eco-friendly sink that complements their modern and traditional decor.